Welcome to the PVB initiative, video for online exam preparation CBSE 12th standard subject physics. This video contains short questions and answers for chapter 3 current electricity. These questions generally contains 1 mark in the examination. In order to get full marks, the students has to write 2 to 3 points that the examiner is expecting. So, let us begin our study of short questions and answer for our chapter. Question 1. Give the statement of Ohm's law. Answer 1. Statement. A current I is flowing through conductor and let V be the potential difference between the ends of the conductor is directly proportional to each other. That is, V is proportional to I, therefore, V is equal to Ri, where R is the resistance of conductor. Question 2. Resistance of conductor is depend on which factors? Answer 2. Resistance of conductor depends on following 2 factors. First, the material of the semiconductor, and second, the dimensions of the conductor. Question 3. What is mobility? Give its SI unit and formula. Answer 3. Mobility mu defined as magnitude of the drift velocity per unit electric field. Mu is equal to E tau upon m. SI unit of mobility is meter square per volt into second. Question 4. Write 3 limitations of Ohm's law. Answer 4. Limitations of Ohm's law are: first, V ceases to be proportional to I. Second, the relation between V and I depends on the sign of V. Third, the relation between V and I is not unique. Question 5. Resistivity of semiconductors depend on which factors? Answer 5. Resistivity of semiconductors depend on following factors. First, the resistivity decreases with a rise in the temperature. Second, the resistivity of semiconductors are also affected by presence of small amount of impurities. Question 6. What are commercially produced resistors for domestic use? How the made? Answer 6. Commercially produced resistors for domestic use or in laboratories are of 2 major types: wire bound resistors and carbon resistors. Wire bound resistors are made by winding the wires of an alloy like manganese, tungsten, nichrome or similar ones. Question 7. What is an importance of selecting particular material for wire bound? Answer 7. The choice of material for resistors is decided mostly by the fact that their resistivity are relatively insensitive to temperature. These resistance are typically in the range of a fraction of an atom to a few hundred ohms. Question 8. What is an importance of carbon resistors? Answer 8. Carbon resistors are compact and inexpensive. Carbon resistors are small in size. Question 9. Write the formula of wasted power and show that how is related to voltage drop. Answer 9. Formula of wasted power is Pc is equal to I square Rc. Therefore, Pc is equal to P square RC upon V square. Thus, the power wasted in the connecting wires is inversely proportional to the V square. Question 10. What is the rule for series combination for any number of cells? Answer 10. The rule for series combination of any number of cells are: first, the equivalent EMF of a series combination of n cells is just the same of their individual EMFs, and second, the equivalent internal resistance of a series combination of n cells is just the sum of their internal resistance. Question 11. Give Kirchhoff's junction rule. Answer 11. Junction rule. At any junction, the sum of the currents entering the junction is equivalent to the sum of the currents leaving the junction. Question 12. Give Kirchhoff's loop rule. Answer 12. Loop rule. The algebraic sum of changes in potential around any closed loop involving resistors and cells in the loop is 0. Students, we have come to the end of this chapter, Current Electricity. As I mentioned earlier, all important points for particular answer are compulsory in order to get full marks in the examination. Thank you for listening to this video. Wish you all the success in the exam. Happy studying. See you in the next video.